Hey guys, what is up? Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic, all had a great weekend and are ready for the new week. So to start off the week, we did amazing. The algorithm already has a take profit hit last night. So if you want to make use of that, make sure to check out the link in the description down below to our website. And furthermore, let's just dive into this video and see what is going on within the market. So to begin with, of course, the dollar index, and looking at the dollar index, we can see that that wedge from Friday played out with the 1, 2, 3rd touch, furthermore in towards that area of daily and 4-hour demand, and after that we can see that we took out all the remaining highs as I discussed on Friday, and after that we saw that push back down in towards the lows. So really interesting market structure as of now. It is looking pretty bearish for the dollar at the moment, but let's see guys, because if we look at the daily as of now, we do have daily demand located at 94.122. so if we see the daily and of course the lower time frame move in towards that level, we could start seeing a potential reversal guys, and this could also cause kind of like a fake breakout of this ascending trend line. So in this range between 94.122 and 93.818, that is where I would be concerned if we're still going to be moving down, because I want to see that range get broken, and then I will be convinced that we are going to see that downside. Then I'm going to be looking for a pullback, and then I'll be looking for those further shorts. So until we do not break through this consolidation area, this range, I am not going to really be looking for those shorts yet, just to be on the safe side. I am of course looking for further downside from the dollar index after hitting that area of daily and 4-hour demand, and of course forming that wedge. But for now we do need to break this low if we really want to be significantly bearish on the dollar. So yeah, that's pretty much it from the dollar index. Quickly diving in towards the 1 hour. 1 hour is not that interesting. We did see a 1 hour trend switch, so who knows, we might see a pullback back up and then a further push in towards the downside, or a push in towards the downside, consolidate here, then see a nice pullback back up. So yep, that's the dollar index. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar guys, and as we can see, Aussie dollar played out beautifully since Friday. And as we can see guys, these levels that I've been marking out, each time we hit those levels you can see a reaction, so beautiful to see. And as of now, what are we looking at? Well, we can kind of see that we're potentially going to get that breakout out of this descending trend very soon, push up in towards the highs. Wouldn't be very strange. What I'm going to be looking for is for this swing high over here at around 0.74753 to get hit, to see a fake out on that high, or a push higher in towards 0.758 or 182, excuse me, to then see a further push down. That's kind of what I'm going to be waiting for this week. So yeah, that is it from Aussie dollar for me. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar guys, so euro dollar is a bit of a tricky one. Looking at the daily, we can see that the daily is very bearish. However, what has the daily done? The daily has seen that fake out on the lows, which we were talking about last week. Furthermore, if we dive in towards the lower time frame into, let's say, the 4 hour, we can then see that the 4 hour just beautifully found support in this area of demand. So over here, our first tap, and then after that a fake out on the lows, and then a fake out back up in towards the highs. So what am I currently waiting for? Well, I want to see a push further in towards the highs, in towards supply, then a possible short before looking for any further longs and seeing channel maturement play out. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for on euro dollar. So yeah, let's head over to our next pair, which is pound dollar. And pound dollar guys, so pound dollar formed support in that area of demand which I mentioned last week. So some beautiful bearish movements, have been calling a bearish GU all week last week, so fantastic to see that push further down. Currently looking at the current market structure going in towards, let's say, the 4 hour and the 1 hour, what we could see is this potential inverse head and shoulders play out. I have seen it before on pound dollar. Sometimes it gets a little bit messy, it pushes down, but eventually it does push up. So let's see if we can see a break of this descending trend line to break the neckline of that inverse head and shoulders, to then start looking for those further longs back up in towards the highs, back towards areas of supply which lie up above over here, because over here this white line is daily supply, yeah, and then after that we have some supply over here located at approximately 1.36440. So yeah, let's see if we can get a push up back up into there before looking for a short back down once again. So yeah, that's pound dollar for you. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so currently looking for Kiwi dollar shorts. Kiwi dollar has been playing out beautifully, called this level as well all week last week for a potential reversal back up. So make sure to use these analysis, guys, because you can really make some good percentages by using my analysis on a daily basis. But yeah, looking at the current daily structure, as we can see, just pulling back, pretty messy still, but I am still expecting a push further down from this pair. Going back towards the 4 hour, yeah, just going to be waiting for us to hit 4 hour liquidity before looking for further downside from this pair. Going in towards the 1 hour, we're currently seeing a wedge play out. However, we haven't tapped in towards the liquidity area that I want to see. So we have this wedge over here, but we still need to tap in towards higher liquidity before I'm going to be looking for those shorts. So yeah, that is it from Kiwi dollar. Let's see if we can see this wedge play out. Also, currently a perfect 618, but I want that 786 to get hit alongside that area of 4 hour supply. So yeah, let's head over to gold, our last pair. And gold, guys, what an absolute beauty. Called this level last week on the weekly. As we can see, currently rejecting this area of weekly supply. So yeah, after looking at weekly supply, we can then dive in towards the 4 hour. So the 4 hour level of liquidity I'm looking at is 1823.340. So I still think we should hit that level before seeing a significant pullback, for instance back in towards 1796.405. Eventually I do want to see the swing highs get taken out above these highs over here at around 1834.195. So yeah, that is it from gold for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see if we can see some kind of, let's say, channel slash wedge play out to then take a possible short back down in towards 1796. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Once again, wish you all a fantastic day. If you have any questions, make sure to join the Discord server. Link is in the description down below. Thanks, guys.